Hello, it's Anthony from No Frills NetSuite Training, and in today's free training I'm going to show you the easiest way to update a lot of data in NetSuite. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get going. One of the features that makes Excel so easy to use is that you can simply click into a cell to make a change. Unlike NetSuite, where you have to edit the record and make a change directly on that record. So you'll need to add an additional 3 clicks in order to accomplish the same goal. Now, not only is that annoying, but it can also be a showstopper where, for instance, you need to make changes to 100 different records. Now, it's pretty easy in Excel, because you can copy the contents of one cell into another by simply copying down. I can therefore change the values in 100 different records very quickly and easily. So I'm going to show you a feature in NetSuite that turns a list into a quasi-Excel spreadsheet, enabling you to change the data in those records directly on the spreadsheet view without having to drill down into the individual records. So let's go into NetSuite and review the feature that enables you to do this. Go to Setup, Company, and Enable Features. And on the General subtab, you'll see a category called Data Management. We are interested in the feature called Inline Editing. And as you can see, it is enabled in this demo dataset. Now that it's turned on, let's demonstrate how it works by going to a list of customers. You'll see an Edit button available on the list, and once you click on it, it adds a pencil icon to some of the columns in the list. That means that these columns are editable directly on the list. There is no need to edit each individual record in order to make a change to the field corresponding with that column. So if I wanted to change the category for this customer, for instance, all I need do is click into the category field on the row corresponding to that customer and make the change. That change will be saved as soon as I click out of the field. On the other hand, I can make changes to a number of different records simultaneously in the same way as you do in Excel. Start by clicking on the field that you want to change in the first record, and then hold the Shift key down on your keyboard and go to the last record you want to change in that list, and then click into it. You'll see that all the rows between the first and the last record have now been selected. Now all you need do is to make the change on the first record and then click out of there. NetSuite will populate the changes to all of the remaining records you selected. Now these don't even have to be consecutive records, because you can select any rows by simply holding down the Control key on your keyboard. So they could be in any order, anywhere on that column. Now that you have selected the records, you simply change the data within those records by changing the value in the first record you selected. When you click out of there, the changes will be made to all of the records you selected. Thanks for watching our training today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for constant updates.